stitch ripper. Now this tool, you may have seen a tool like this in the past, but now it's better than ever. So I'm going to open it up right here. And one of the great things it has is this instruction book. And you know, I was reading this book and it's got great tips. Of course, it not only shows you how to use it, but it gives you some tips on what all you can use it for. So this is an illustrated usage booklet. You don't have to be afraid that you're using it wrong. It is very explanatory. Now, this is the tool itself. It is a dime product, and this is a 10mm blade that's installed on it here now. It also comes with, let me get this open here. It also comes with the 40mm snap-on blade. I'm going to demonstrate that in just a moment. It comes with the brush that you use to clean out after you've been removing those stitches. Keep your tool clean. It comes with an adorable little oil container so that you can keep that blade oiled. And of course, your instruction book's going to tell you what to do there. One of the neatest things about this tool is that you can charge it and you can use it cordless. Like I just turned it on now. It's operating at good power, cordless, or you can plug it in and use it corded. Either way, it's your choice. You can charge it and use it cordless if you prefer. I kind of like to use one plugged in just for that constant power that doesn't change, but that's up to you. Now, check this out. Snap off this blade, put in my 40mm, snap it on. Easy peasy. And I can snap this one off and replace it with the 10mm. So it's just that fast, just that easy. And this is the first time that this type of tool has been offered with the 2 blades. And believe me, you really need 2 blades. And I'm going to show you why in just a minute. The 10mm blade, which is great for those satin stitches like lettering. So you're just going to shave from the back, remove those bobbin stitches, and this is almost real time. It is sped up just a little bit for watchability, but you see how I shaved all those from the reverse. You could use tweezers for this removal part, but it just melts away from the front. You can just brush it away almost. And if you've got a couple of little naggy threads left behind, you may have to go back to the reverse side a couple of times to get those. But as you can see, it comes completely out. Then we can change that blade in a snap to the larger blade, which is suitable for those fill stitched areas, and it just snaps right on. So quick and easy blade change. And I'm going to shave these bobbin stitches away from the back of this fill stitched area. Now you can imagine that this is really where a lot of the time savings comes in, because those fill stitches are extremely difficult to remove normally. But you see how it just comes away in big, long strings. So that makes it so fast and easy to remove those fill stitches. So, you know, you just are going to pull it away. Look at that. That's amazing. And then you can just basically brush away those bobbin threads when you get it all out. So that's the Stitch Ripper from Dime. I think any embroidery room needs one.